Welcome to the last section of Chapter 1. We're going to be talking about geometry in space. So here are a couple of shapes that we want to know the definitions of. We're not going to do anything with them at this point. We just want to know their definitions. And if you see them as we go through the chapters, be aware of them and know what they are. All right, so let's get started with the first one. We're going to talk about a cylinder. A cylinder has the base is two different circles, and then you have the height of this. I want you to think of either like a can or think of a pipe. Those are examples of cylinders. Now moving on to the next one, we're going to talk about prisms. Prisms are actually boxes. So if you're looking at this one has a base of a pentagon, so top and bottom is really the same exact shape, and their two bases are congruent. But I could have a hexagon, I could have a square, I could have a triangle, I could have a nonagon. So as long as you have the same exact bases and it looks like a box, then you have a prism. We are familiar with spheres, right? Spheres, think of a ball. You're going to have the diameter all around is going to be actually a circle. So if I were to cut this in half, I'm actually going to get a hemisphere, or half of a sphere. So these two kind of go together. We have a cone. Now everybody knows what's an ice cream cone, right? This just looks like upside down. The base is a circle, and then they meet at a point. So these two sides actually meet right there. Okay. And the last one, we're going to talk about a pyramid. Now we all know about the pyramids in Egypt. The bases could be different. The ones in Egypt are actually squares. This one looks like it's a hexagon, so it's a hexagonal pyramid. The word pyramid actually says that all of these sides meet at one point right there. So the most important thing that you want to know of is what kind of base it is, and if they meet at one point, it's a pyramid. If they don't meet at one point and they have two bases, then it's a prism. All right, that was all we had for today. Those are the new vocabulary words. Next time, we're going to review, and then we're going to be taking a test on this.